I'm Josh Halpern, former U.S. diplomat, helping entrepreneurs sell to the billions of consumers overseas. We're living in a time of unprecedented opportunity for small businesses that know how to optimize their e-commerce channels. Find out how some fail, some succeed, and how you can leapfrog the competition. This is VanBassador. Kai, thanks for coming to join us today.
My pleasure. When she walked in the door, I know that's my customer. She's edgy, she's expressive, she's confident, she's the one owning the spotlight. So this is what I call early funnel. Those are people who get to know you. During this customer journey within the funnel that you normally want to generate different kind of engagement points and to try to keep the customer in the funnel until they convert. Domestically, you're looking at probably a day, a few days, the max that you'll be able to convert a new customer. As you go for international, that's going to be a completely different story. That funnel is going to look like very, very long funnel. Particularly look at Asia is at extreme. You're looking sometimes over 1 month. You know, why do Asians take so long to convert? If you go to a place like China and you search Revolve, there's going to come up a whole bunch of other questions. Most of the questions are related to duty and taxes, shipping. Are you a legit company? What do you really want to do is that you're going to create a lot of more touch points and more frequent touch points in the middle. You have to think about over average order value is about $220 to international markets. And for a girl who's sitting in Taiwan, who's never even received a letter from the United States, you want this person paying $220 for the first time to receive a package from the United States? She has a lot of questions. So in domestically, you probably need to create 3 touch points before conversion, but internationally, you probably need to create somewhere 10 times more of that touch points for conversion. So that's the way I look at customer journey.